In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom brushes in IBIS Paint X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can make a custom brush out of anything. So in order to modify it and have it added onto your account, you will need the latest version of IBIS Paint X. So if it isn't up to date, make sure to check for any possible updates. And once you are running the latest version of the software, tap on the plus sign usually at the bottom left corner of the screen, and if you scroll all the way down, one of the options is going to be brush. So tap the plus sign to create a new project, scroll all the way down, and you will see brush pattern. Now, if it requests you to create an account, you will have to do so now because the custom brushes are going to be attributed to your account. But if you tap this, you should see this message, create brush pattern, and you will have to choose a template, type, and size. So now you can customize these to your liking. There is no specific option that you have to choose to make it work. It is going to be down to personal preference. So you can browse through any brush to be used as a template and then the type. I'm not going to go too in depth about every single template and type available, so choose according to your preference. For the size, I recommend setting it to 512 to 512, but the higher you go, the higher quality the brush itself is going to be. Now, once you have everything set up and you start a new project, this is what you should see. So you will have two main options, edit pattern and then test drawing. Edit patterns where you will be able to actually make your custom brush. So now you can type something out, you can make a specific pattern, you can do whatever you like in here. Then once you are satisfied and you want to test it out, go over to test drawing, and whenever you draw in here, it is going to apply the custom brush that you've made so you can see how it is going to look in actuality. So once you have everything set up and you are satisfied, you can tap the arrow to go back here, return to the gallery, and you should see this confirmation prompt. The brush pattern has been uploaded and is ready for use. Do you want to register a brush you have been using for a test drawing as a custom brush? Tap OK and you will be able to have it ready, good to go. Now, before I end this video, if it helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching us are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality videos. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.